Hi, welcome to 4Seller channel. This video will guide you how to connect your Temu store with 4Seller. Now 4Seller support you authorize your Temu store to publish listings, handle orders, and manage your managed products inventory. In 4Seller, there are two entrants to integrate with Temu. Entrance 1. On the home page, you can click the Temu shop icon to enter the store authorization page. Entrance 2. Click Shop Manage in Settings, and then click the Temu shop icon to enter the store authorization page. First step, please enter your Temu dashboard, tap on Manage Your Apps, then click on Authorize a New App. And after selecting 4Seller app, check all permissions, click I direct Temu to provide 4Seller access to my selling partner account and related data. I am responsible for any actions taken by the application below and click Submit. In the new pop-up page, please copy the access token. Then go back to the 4Seller Shop Manage page, click Temu icon to add Temu store. Choose the local shop type and choose your shop site, fill out the custom name for your shop and paste the access token you copied and the Click Connect button. And after authorization, you can log in 4Seller to manage your store. You can delete or edit custom name. You can also check the shop status. Active means the store has been authorized to 4Seller successfully. If the status become inactive later, please try to reconnect. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe 4Seller. We will update new feature video continuously. If you encounter any problems, please scan our WhatsApp QR code to contact with 4Seller customer service.